today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Grammarly through Google. Have you ever felt uncertain about the clarity or correctness of your writing? Or perhaps you've wished for a tool that can instantly improve your grammar and spelling as you type? Well, Grammarly is designed to help you with exactly that, and in this guide, we'll explore how you can maximize its potential. First, let's start by heading over to the Grammarly website. You can do this easily by using your Google browser and typing in Grammarly, or simply follow the link provided in the description below. Once there, you'll find a user-friendly interface that's geared toward enhancing your writing skills. Now let's talk about how Grammarly can be your digital writing assistant across various platforms. Grammarly automatically checks your text for spelling and grammar errors, and even suggests improvements for writing clarity while you work on websites like Gmail, Facebook, and Google Docs, among others. This means that any message you compose or document you edit will be given a thorough review in real time, offering suggestions as you type to keep your writing clear and professional. Aside from real-time corrections, you have the option to use the Grammarly web app. This is particularly useful for when you're working on longer pieces or if you want to upload specific documents for detailed checking. Inside the web app, Grammarly Line highlights any mistakes and provides correction suggestions. All you have to do is click on the suggested correction and it's applied immediately, saving you time and ensuring accuracy. Whether you're drafting an email, writing a blog post, or preparing a report, Grammarly offers robust support to improve the coherence and precision of your writing. Through this video, we hope you've seen how accessing Grammarly via Google can be a seamless process that offers comprehensive assistance in improving your writing. With the added convenience of real-time corrections and the flexibility of the web app, Grammarly can be an invaluable tool in your arsenal, helping you project your thoughts clearly and effectively. Embrace Grammarly and say goodbye to the days of second-guessing your writing clarity and correctness. Thank you for watching, and happy writing.